How much can you get out of a $40 laptop? In this video, I'll be reviewing the $40 ThinkPad I got from eBay. So I have tested this laptop and it powers on just fine. So that means install Windows and gets reviewing, right? Well, yes and no. This laptop doesn't have any storage drive, so you'd think no. But to temporarily substitute, I'm going to be running Windows off an external hard drive via USB 2.0. To SATA OneDrive running at 7200 RPM, so nothing special, but it's going to have to do for the time being. Let's go over the specs.
So we have 2 gigabytes of RAM, an i5 560M, that's 2 cores, 4 threads at 2.66 gigahertz. We also have integrated Iron Lake graphics, onboard Wi-Fi, and a 14-inch display. For I/O, we have USB 2.0, headphone jack, express card, a DVD drive, a DisplayPort, eSATA, another USB, Ethernet, VGA, and a charging port. There's a variety of I/O, but 2 USB ports is not enough. Now, let's get Windows installed and give this thing some tests. And yeah, looks like I won't be using Windows 10. Instead, I'm going to install Linux and then do some testing. I'm sure that if I did more research, I could probably have got it to work, but I want this to go by fast, so Linux it is. Alright, now that the install is completed, let's put this $40 laptop to the test. Okay, so first off, I'd just like to say how quick and easy it is to get Ubuntu installed. I'm actually kind of glad I didn't install Windows because this installation was just a few steps and then everything's finished. So that's just a side note, but performance for basic internet usage was good. It was decently snappy. Watching 1080p video was fine, there was no lag, it runs smoothly. Multitasking will be limited because of that 2 gigabytes of RAM, but if you're using basic apps, it should run just fine. The speakers are pretty loud, they have good sound quality, and gaming. If this laptop had another 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM along with an upgraded graphics card, you could probably do some light gaming. But considering the fact that the super high quality Super Tux card gave a message that the OpenGL version was too old, you shouldn't try any graphically intensive game. But you can play the super high quality AAA title, Mines. So, should you buy this laptop? If you can find a listing that has an i5, 2 or 4 gigabytes of RAM, maybe a battery for say 40 to 60 bucks, then absolutely. This laptop has a great upgrade path, so if you're looking for a school, business, or possibly gaming laptop, then I highly recommend it. But if you don't want to do the upgrading yourself, then you can find this ThinkPad or a similar model for maybe $100 or $150. Well, I think that wraps things up, so if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel. Anyways, what do you guys think? Does this laptop have good value? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you later.